Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Expedia affiliate program. So first head over to this site, just type in creator.expediagroup.com/affiliates. You will then be redirected to this page, and to get started, click on the sign up button and start creating an account. From here, just type in your email address, then click on continue. You might also be prompted to create a password. Now here you will be asked to complete your user profile, so just fill in the details, then click on continue. Next, add in your platform. So first click on the drop-down menu and select a platform. So it could be Instagram, TikTok, or other social. Then of course, add in the URL or your handle. Then press continue. Next is add in your business information, add in name of your business or site, address, zip code, and country. And of course, don't forget to tick in the box that you acknowledge and review privacy policy and terms and conditions, and acknowledge that you have reviewed and accepted the terms and conditions. Then once done, just click on submit. Your application will then be reviewed on this time. And once accepted, you should then be redirected to your dashboard. You can start using the affiliate tool and use them for your affiliate journey. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!